I just want to do something else, which is quite a nice one. Let me just get a different picture for you. I just want to see if I've got, let's take that. Now, going to take a little bit longer maybe because there's a lot of specifications on here. So let's do this track. And again, this might be used by people that want to identify plant in a certain part of the organization, or to get the specifications of items that they want to sell, because it's not redundant stock, but it's easier for the field engineer.
I love the confidence scores everywhere, right? So what we see a lot with AI implementations, either in dedicated tools or even integrated in MDM solutions or in PIM solutions, is that you get a result. So you ask the AI for X and it gives you the result Y, but you do not get, I'm 70% confident that this is actually an actuator, or I'm 30% confident that the brand is SKF, or I'm 95% confident that this is correctly classified as a ball bearing up to a commodity level in UNSPSC. Having that and having that confidence score at such a granular level makes sure you can actually maintain good data quality across the board, because sometimes the AI model might be super confident on one element, but have a low confidence score on another element. That granularity gives you the ability to have various threshold levels. Maybe a 90% accuracy score on brand is okay, as long as the manufacturing part number accuracy is 95+%, right? And you can define these threshold levels and basically define that whole governance model to trigger at the right time and to trigger at the right levels. So you only spend time on the exceptions, right? Or the products where, or the attributes where the AI falls below the threshold that you have predefined. And you can even have, and I'm sorry for taking up all the space, but even configure maybe different threshold levels for different categories of product, right? So for critical spares, you might want to have a very high confidence threshold, or maybe even have a human in the loop always, while for less critical items, it is perfectly fine to have a 70% confidence score on classification, because it's a long tail item. A long tail MRO item doesn't really matter if it's correctly specified down the way to the fourth level on UNSPSC, right? The fact that you get this granular confidence scoring is pretty impressive.